Every plan created in Scribe is linked to a profile which determines some of the available editing options and default settings. All Scribe accounts are given the standard profile by default, and this is the one used if no other profiles are present. If you do have another profile, you will be asked which one you would like to use when starting your sketch. Once you start your sketch, you will notice certain things that are specific to the chosen profile, for example, the room types that are available and the room names found within them. The names and default order of stories are also driven by the profile, as are the area names that are used in the area calculation mode. The preview page is another place where having a well set up profile can save you lots of time and effort, as just about every setting that can be changed in the preview can be set in advance in the profile. One thing to note is that once a profile has been applied to a plan, it's not possible to change it, and while some of the defaults set by the profile can be changed, not everything can, so think carefully about which profile is best for your plan at the selection screen. The creation and management of profiles has been covered in another video, so check in the description for the links.